The landing page is the page that's displayed when someone clicks on your ad. You should, for reasons we'll talk about here, create a unique landing page for the pay-per-click ads you create with the AdWords program. Here are the essentials about the landing page. Here's what you should never do. You should never, ever link to your site's homepage, to a general page on your site. A specific product, and you take them to this home page, which is all fluff and overview and general information. They're going to say, huh? They want the page they link to be a direct continuation of the ad they just read, and your homepage probably isn't. So you should never link to your site's homepage. Instead, you should link to a page specifically connected to your ad. That is, a specific landing page created for that ad. A lot of advertisers create a separate landing page for each ad they run. At the very least, you want to create a landing page for each product that you sell. So again, that the ad links to the landing page, that it's a seamless connection. It's holistic. As far as the customer is concerned, they click from the ad to the landing page. It's a single seamless experience. That's what you want to present. And that all speaks to consistency. How do you get that consistency? First off, you want to include the same keywords on your landing page that you used in your ad, as well as the same keywords you used to target the display of the ad. So the keywords should be the same. You should use the same verbiage, the same keywords, the same terminology. If you're talking in a certain way, using certain phrases, a certain language in your ad, you should use the same phrases and terminology on your landing page. Again, it should be seamless. It shouldn't look like it's coming from two different places or designed by two different people. It should look as if you did it all in one fell swoop. To that end, if you're linking from an image ad that you've created with AdWords, well, you should use the same images on your landing page. If it's a blue background with a certain logo, your landing page should have the blue background and a certain logo, same as your image ad did. Again, it's a matter of consistency. What people see in the ad, what they feel, what they experience in the ad, they have to see, feel, and experience on the next page they see also. What does that mean in terms of content? Well, first of all, it should be the same product. This is why you don't want to link to a general page or your home page. If you're talking about product XYZ in your ad, you have to talk about product XYZ on your landing page. You can't go to a page that talks about something else, or even lots of something else's. You want to be specific. A single thing in your ad, a single thing on the landing page. Now, what you can do on your landing page is include a lot more detailed information. It's a full page after all. It's not just a small text ad. So use the page to really talk about your product or your service or whatever it is you're offering in all the detail you need. Use the whole page. That said, you want to keep it simple. You only want to talk about a single product. You don't want to present any additional products or services. If you do offer additional products or services or add-ons, other merchandise, talk about it on the next page they get to after the landing page. Don't confuse them. You don't want to be talking about hats and then go to a page that talks about coats and scarves, in terms of the landing page. If the ad is about hats, well, then the landing page has to be about hats also, and forget the coats and scarves until later in the process. When we talk about landing page conversion, that means that you want the landing page to do something. You want it actually to work and convert to sales. That means including a strong call to action. If you want people to buy the product, tell them, buy now. Whatever you want them to do, if the landing page is there to get subscriptions or to capture names, make sure that call to action is there. If you are selling something, you want to include your ordering button or mechanism. Don't make them go to a second page or a third page or a fourth page to make the sale. Get it all done there on the landing page. It should be one-stop shopping. That said, you have to make it easy for customers to order. Don't make them hunt for the ordering button. Don't make them go to yet another page to learn more information. Don't, click here to learn more, click here to put, it all has to be there on the landing page. You want to think, they go right from your ad, right to the landing page, boom, you close the sale and it's done. That's the purpose of the landing page. That's when you know you have an effective landing page, is when you have a really high conversion rate.